Hi folks, today we're going to be trying another version of soap from the Stapelfeld Soapworks. I think this is his 8th or ninth batch that he's made, and he sent some to me to try out. I'm also going to be shaving with a razor sent to me by Robert, No Name Bear. This is a Torrey razor, 6/8 round point. As you can see, it's full hollow. And this one has a Zulu Grey edge. And I took a microscope photo of the edge that I'm going to show you now. And I'm going to say that's maybe the most even natural stone edge I've seen in a very long time. That's the kind of edge that you typically get with synthetic stones. It's very well refined and extremely even for a natural stone edge. So we're going to see how this shaves. He's sent me a Zulu Grey edge before, and I don't recall. I'll put one up. I'll put an image up if I have one. I don't think I took one. But I don't recall that it looked as as well refined as this one does. Normally, normally with a natural stone edge, you get a lot more at the apex. You get a lot more indication that it was rubbed over a natural stone. The surface of the stone and the slurry of the stone are uneven, and it's hard to get an edge that is that perfect. So I'm anxious to see how it shaves. I'm sure it's going to shave well, and I'm anxious to see if I can detect any kind of uniqueness to it. The last time he sent me a Zulu Grey edge, I thought it felt like a slate edge. Based on the way this one looks, I think it's going to feel like a synthetic edge. But we'll see. Now I don't want to spend most of the time. I'll be evaluating the edges I shave, and I'm also going to be enjoying this soap. Now I have not shaved with this soap, but I did lather it up. Sean has put a lot of effort into this batch. I'll show you a list of the ingredients now. And it shows, the effort shows. I mean, this is a very easy soap to lather. Wonderful, absolutely terrific feel on the face. It's when I have it hydrated to the point that I like a soap, and it has a rich feel to it, but also kind of a light feel to it. Very much like a Zingari Man lather, which I consider to be an excellent lather. All right, let's get going. Let's see how we do here. I think Robert's going to end up sending me many Zulu Grey edges, because so far this feels like one of my synthetic edges that I consider to be well done. very comfortable. Very comfortable and very sharp. I mean, comparing it, that's actually a compliment from me. I think a very well done synthetic edge is not to be trifled with. I think that's a very, very good edge. And for those starting out in straight razor shaving, I think there's nothing wrong with using a well done synthetic edge for a very long time. Any edge that's well done should shave you comfortably and closely. And all this hoopla that we talk about here on YouTube about different edges and so on, you know, how they feel, how they hone, it doesn't make them better, it just makes them different. It's the geometry of the edge that cuts, and what you feel is very, very related to your technique. If you use a very high angle, almost any edge is going to feel a little harsh. And you can use a high angle to scrape at very light pressure. But if you use a high angle to shave at normal pressure, it will typically feel a little harsh. Harsher than if you used a low angle. And given good technique, all these different edges that we talk about, if they're well done, are great. The closest natural stone, I'm still going with slate. I could get a slate to feel like this, I think, and it has crispness to it that is also very Arkansas-like. But I don't think I can get an Arkansas to look like that. I'm not sure. Normally I see the imprint of the stone, and I also normally come up to an Arkansas from a codicule, and when you do that, you definitely get the look of the codicule when you move to the into the look of the codicule, the particles of the codicule. You'll see that when you finish on an Arkansas. It doesn't mean those shave worse, by the way. Very, very nice. Enjoying the soap. It feels, there's nothing, literally nothing to say about this soap other than the scent strength is excellent. Kind of a bergamotti, sandalwoody scent, which is very, very nice. You know, that's always a crowd pleaser. And see, I know he bumped the scent strength on this soap. It's very nice. And the quality of the lather is really exceptional. I mean, I think Sean's gone far beyond making a homemade soap here. He's a straight razor shaver, as we all know. And it's clear to me that this is a soap made for straight razor, made for any shaver, but including the kinds of things that straight razor shavers enjoy. I'm really just showing you that I can build this lather if I want to. Often for the third pass I don't do that. I just swipe some lather on off the brush. But there's enough lather in the brush to build it. Great stuff, Sean. Well done. This is both good and bad. I have a feeling the next thing I'm going to be faced with is a Stapelfeld Soapworks Etsy page to buy soap from. Yeah, I mean, this is very professional. Terrific shave, incredible slickness. Very professional. Skin feels great. Removing, I mean, I already had BBS at after pass 2. Really feels like a synthetic edge against the grain. Very nice and thin. Cutting well. These Torrey razors are terrific. I don't think I've ever used them before, but I'm a fan. Yeah, I think they're great. Okay, we're going to call that done. Yeah, terrific shave. Really close. Not getting a lot of natural stone personality from that edge. Beautifully made, beautifully honed. Shaved incredibly close, very comfortable. Gonna put on some Thayers coconut here to soak in while I do some cleaning up. And we're going to do the cleaning up right now. Alright, I'm back. The brush that I used today was a Wald synthetic. This one is called the Goldvein. You can see the Goldvein running through it. Wonderful. One of the best synthetic brushes made, in my opinion. And I'm going to be following that with Ethos Grooming Essentials Success. Because this shave, from both a razor perspective and a soap perspective, was a success. So I'm going with that theme. After I put this on, I'm going to wanted to show you the professional looking pour that Sean did in this container. I'm super impressed with that. Good job, Sean and Robert. Excellent work. Really appreciate your sending these edges to me to try out. I actually have a Zulu Grey. It's a large stone and needs to get cut down. I haven't been motivated to do that. Not sure I am. It's an excellent edge that I shaved with, but too close to other edges that I can produce with both synthetic and natural stones. So thank you again for letting me try this out. And thanks to everybody for watching. That's it for me. See you later. Bye.